to Jetta's Craft Cottage. Today we are going to make this cute centerpiece using yo-yos. I'm going to show you how to make the cloth yo-yos and assemble them to make this tree centerpiece. Let's get started. Today we're going to be making these cloth yo-yos using the Quick Yo-Yo Maker by Clover. These are easy to make and you can do them while watching TV. There are different sizes and different shapes to make these yo-yos. You want to decide the size of the yo-yo. We have small, large, and extra large. For some reason, they don't have mediums in the Yo-Yo Maker. I'm using the large Clover Yo-Yo Maker. You want to cut your fabric in circles that are 1/2 inch larger than the disc. This is 3.5 inches and my circles are 4 inches. You can make a template using cardboard or tops from different lids. Cut several of these circles out. There are lines on one side of the disc, and on the other one there are little knobs on here like little balls. On mine I have outlined them with a Sharpie so I can see where the balls and the lines go. You want to cut your thread and double it and put a knot on it. This is about 20 inches with a double thread, and I'm going to knot it at the end. And using my fabric circle, take the disc out, and I'm going to lay the fabric on the inside. This is the outside of the fabric, so I'm going to lay it like this, and I'm going to put it so that the lines line up with the ball. It will snap right in. You're going to start sewing from this back side, and you're going to go to the right of this little ball, and you'll feel that there's a hole going right through it, and you're going through 2 pieces of fabric. We're going to go out, and on this side you'll see there's a little piece that goes right in, so it's like a little U shape, and you stick your needle right through that and it'll go through the same 2 pieces of fabric. This gives you an even stitch. Continue all the way around. When you get to where the starting point is, go 1 more stitch past that. This is the starting point, so I'm going to go 1 more time. Pull it out on this back side here. Now I want to pop it out. You can see there's a little hole back here. Just pop it out with your fingers. Take the disc off of the fabric. And start gathering it. You will have a nice even gather all the way through. You won't have any raw edges either. You want to spread it out and then close up the center. Now that I have my yo-yos, I'm going to make a project. This is going to be a Christmas tree with the yo-yos. I'm going to use a small cone. You can use a larger one. You're going to take a sequin, and this is a pin with a little ball on it, and it's about 1.5 inches. Stick it right through the center, and then attach it. You could add a topper with a pom-pom or a star for it. Now you have a nice little table decoration. Once you have your yo-yos made, you can embellish quilts with them, make cute decorative tea towels, or even make ornaments with yo-yos. There are so many things you can decorate with cloth yo-yos. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.